You can use ChatGPT to spot fake content. First, resize the app to make it as small as possible and place it in the top right corner. Then click the menu bar and select Keep ChatGPT on top. Now you can keep ChatGPT open and interact with it while having your screen free for other tasks. Let me visit this website here and ask some questions. Hey ChatGPT, are the pictures on this website real or fake?
The pictures on this website appear to be highly retouched and digitally enhanced. Some images seem to be the same base picture with different lip colors applied digitally, likely using a tool like Photoshop. For example, the shades Candy K and Sister Sister appear to use the exact same photo with only the lip color changed. This suggests that the images are not simple, natural photos, but have been digitally manipulated.
And what about the reviews here on this website? Just a second, let me scroll down. What about the reviews?
Sure, take your time. Once you have scrolled down and are ready, let me know about the reviews you see, and I can provide my thoughts on whether they seem real or fake.
Okay, here are the reviews.
Thanks for sharing. Based on the reviews, it seems like there is a mixture of both real and fake comments.
Next, use ChatGPT as your personal trainer. This is a great way to stay motivated and get personalized workout guidance. You can start by assigning ChatGPT a role. For example, you can have ChatGPT act as David Goggins, a well-known motivational figure known for his extreme discipline and mental toughness. For example, you can say, "You are David Goggins. I'm currently running and could use some motivation."
Stay hard, Thomas. You're out there, doing what others won't, pushing yourself beyond your limits. Remember, pain is temporary, but quitting lasts forever. Embrace the discomfort and know that every step you take makes you stronger, both physically and mentally. You've got this. One step at a time. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Keep pushing, keep grinding, and remember why you started. Stay hard.
Remember that you have all the time you need to think by simply keeping your thumb on a button. When you're ready to proceed, you can say, "Keep going in the style of David Goggins. I need more motivation."
All right, Thomas, you're still out there pushing hard, and that's incredible.
Stay hard. Use ChatGPT to help negotiate a salary increase. Wouldn't it be great if you could get a salary increase? Let ChatGPT help you get the most out of a negotiation. And if you're concerned about asking your boss for a raise and the potential risk of losing your job, ChatGPT can help you prepare and gain confidence. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to navigate this situation. Hey, ChatGPT, I'm worried about asking my boss for a salary increase because it might affect my job security. Can you help me figure out how to approach this conversation effectively and how to get the most out of this negotiation?
Of course, Thomas, it's understandable to feel apprehensive about asking for a salary increase, but with a thoughtful approach, you can make a strong case. Here's a way to handle this. First, gather evidence of your achievements and contributions. Highlight specific projects you've completed, your skills, and how your work has positively impacted the company. Make sure to have concrete examples and data to support your claims.
Next, use ChatGPT to plan your dream vacation for this year. Describe your situation as clearly as possible. ChatGPT can provide specific tips and suggestions to help you plan and fund your dream vacation for this year. For example, "Hey ChatGPT, I'd like to take a trip to Europe this year, in the fall or winter. I want to see Christmas markets and visit London for partying, as well as Berlin, Barcelona, Rome, and Paris. I live in California and I work as an accountant. I earn a good salary, but living in California is expensive and I don't have enough saved for such a trip. I'm willing to work an extra 1 to 2 hours every day, 5 days a week. It's June now, and I'd prefer to travel in November or December. Please suggest some ways I can make this dream come true.
That sounds like an exciting trip. Here are some steps you can take to make your dream trip to Europe a reality. First, let's estimate how much you might need.
Next, you can use ChatGPT to learn a new program. On desktop, you need to share your screen with ChatGPT. Click here and select Take a screenshot. Now ChatGPT can see what's on your computer screen. And then you ask, "Hey, ChatGPT, I'd like to learn Photoshop. This is my first time using this program and I want to make my nose in the picture smaller. Where should I click? What should I do?"
That's great. Photoshop has many powerful tools, and resizing facial features is something you can do with the Liquify filter. Here are some step-by-step instructions to make your nose smaller in Photoshop. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. Make sure your image is open in Photoshop, which it looks like you already have. 2. Select the layer. In the Layers panel on the right, click on the layer with your photo to make sure it's selected. Open the Liquify filter. Go to the top menu and click on Filter Liquify. This will open the Liquify workspace. 4. Select the Forward Warp tool. In the Liquify panel on the left, select the Forward Warp tool. It looks like a hand pushing something. 5. Adjust the brush size. On the right side of the Liquify workspace, you can adjust the brush size. Make the brush a bit larger than the area you want to modify, your nose. Modify the nose. Gently push the edges of your nose inward to make it smaller. Do this carefully to avoid distorting the image too much. 7. Zoom in and fine-tune. You can zoom in using Control Windows or Command Mac to see better detail and make more precise adjustments. 8. Apply the changes. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click OK at the bottom of the Liquify panel to apply the changes. 9. Save your work. Save your edited image by going to File, Save As, and choosing your desired format and location. If you have any specific questions or need more detailed instructions, feel free to ask.
By the way, I have free courses and courses you can buy on my website for ChatGPT, link below in the description. Next, use ChatGPT to brainstorming ideas on how to become extremely wealthy. You can assign ChatGPT the roles of super rich individuals like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Henry Ford, John D. Rockefeller, and then explain your current situation and ask for advice on how you can become extremely wealthy in your current situation. For example, act as Jeff Bezos. I'm currently working as a product designer, earning $60,000 a year. I have skills in design, project management, and a bit of entrepreneurship. I want to increase my wealth significantly over the next 5 years. Based on my situation, what steps should I take to become extremely wealthy?
To become extremely wealthy in 5 years, focus on leveraging your skills and expanding your opportunities. Here's a strategy you can follow. First, identify and
don't forget that we have the transcription of the entire voice conversation. Next, let ChatGPT help you fix your problems in life, whether you're dealing with personal issues, family matters, or any other challenges. ChatGPT can provide practical advice and help. Let's say you have a 6-year-old son who doesn't want to do his homework. You can describe the situation to ChatGPT and ask for suggestions on how to handle it. For example, "Hey ChatGPT, my 6-year-old son refuses to do his homework. He gets distracted easily and doesn't seem to be interested. How can I motivate him to complete his assignments?"
Hey Thomas, helping your son with his homework can indeed be a challenge. Here are a few suggestions to help motivate him. First, try to create a consistent routine. Set a specific time each day for homework so it becomes a regular part of his day. Make sure this time is free from distractions, like TV or noisy environments. Second, break his homework into smaller, manageable tasks. This can make the work seem less overwhelming and more achievable for him.
Next, use ChatGPT to improve your routines. Daily routines are extremely powerful. Taking small, consistent steps every day can lead to significant changes in your life. Why not align your routines with those of your role models to achieve similar goals, whether they are business-related, artistic, personal? For example, hey ChatGPT, here's my current daily routine. Wake up at 7 a.m., exercise for 30 minutes, shower at 7:30, breakfast at 8 a.m. for 15 minutes, drive to work at 8:30 a.m. and work from 9 to 5. Then back home and relax the evening. Now imagine you are Elon Musk. How would you adjust my routine to make it more effective and align with his habits?
Let's refine your routine with Elon Musk's approach in mind. First, incorporate more time for deep work sessions during your 9 to 5 period, focusing intensely on critical tasks without distractions. Elon Musk often breaks his day into manageable chunks with clear priorities. Consider scheduling specific blocks for creative tasks or meetings related to your projects. Additionally, he values consistent learning and problem solving. You might add structured time for learning new skills or researching advancements in your field during breaks.
Next, expand your horizon and gain new perspective with ChatGPT. We often find ourselves influenced by the same sources and ideas from news and social media recommendations. ChatGPT can help us think outside the box and gain entirely different perspective, expanding our horizons beyond our usual mindset. When brainstorming ideas or solving problems, we typically draw from familiar references. However, ChatGPT can adopt roles from different cultures and backgrounds, offering insights that might not be immediately familiar to us. For example, hey ChatGPT, I want to broaden my horizon and think from different perspectives. Imagine you are a sheikh from Dubai. How do you approach business and life?
If I were a sheikh from Dubai, business and life would intertwine with a focus on luxury, innovation, and legacy. I'd prioritize diversifying investments across real estate, tourism, and technology, aiming for sustainable growth. Family values and community welfare would be integral, with a keen eye on preserving heritage while embracing modernity.
Of course, you can be more specific with different tasks, but having a different kind of perspective is super valuable. Alright, subscribe and click here to watch more.